Now, Storm Watch 12 weather on News Watch 12.
Oh, we're still going to see a little bit of some wind early this morning along the Oregon coast, but the wind is going to really pick up into the Siskiyou County and east of the Cascades once we get into the afternoon. Now tonight, wind will calm down a bit more, but then Monday, same kind of scenario, pretty gusty winds along the Oregon coast and again, east of the Cascades. But the good news is that by the time we get to Tuesday, things are going to appear a lot calmer throughout the region. Now we're going to see the chance of some showers early this morning. Don't be surprised if you do see some patchy fog early, but other than that, it won't last very long because we're going to have another system. It's going to be quickly approaching the region. In fact, we're going to start seeing those rain showers develop along the Oregon coast into the early afternoon, spreading inland as we get into the late evening and during the overnight hours. Now, what we're going to be looking at is the snow level dropping to about 5,000 feet overnight tonight into Monday morning. So you don't have to worry about traveling along the Cascade passes or anything like that. You don't have to worry about seeing any snow, but you will have to deal with plenty of heavy rain. That rain will definitely be heavy at times. Now, in terms of how much rainfall we could be looking at for the next couple of days, we're actually going to be looking at a pretty good amount of rain throughout the entire region. In fact, the normal places, the heaviest rains that we're going to see are along the Oregon coast and into the Coast Range. Could be looking at 2.5 to 4.5 inches of rain from Saturday morning through Monday afternoon. That is a lot of rain, and we need every little bit of it. Now, we could be looking at anywhere between 1/2 inch to 1 inch and 3/4 inches through the Cascades, depending on elevation. For the Road, Applegate, and Illinois valleys, essentially the farther west you are, the more rain you're going to receive. So the Rogue Valley will be closer to the lesser amount that we're looking at here. Now, in terms of the Shasta Valley, what we're going to be looking at is about 1/3 of an inch to 1.5 inches. That's a wide range, but 1.5 inches will be closer towards Mount Shasta City. The further north, you'll see lesser amounts, and lesser amounts also for the Klamath Basin as well. Now, in terms of precipitation forecast for the next 5 days, a lot of rain is in store for western Oregon, which is great news. We're going to see plenty of rain as we go Sunday, Monday, and into Tuesday. We'll still see that chance of thunderstorms from time to time, but Wednesday is going to be a lone dry day, and then we'll see more rain once we get to Thursday. So for the day tomorrow, don't be surprised if you see a little bit of some fog, but we'll see a chance of showers all throughout the morning, and then the rain will pick up as we get into the late afternoon, but it's going to be a cool day also. We're only looking at low 60s west of the Cascades, upper 50s for the Oregon coast, only 53 for Mount Shasta City, and also towards Lakeview, mid 50s for Klamath Falls. So here's your 7-day forecast for the Oregon coast. We're going to see plenty of rain and showers and thunderstorms for the next couple of days through at least Tuesday afternoon before the activity finally starts to decrease. Wednesday, we're finally going to see a little bit of a break, so it's going to be pretty nice overall, and then we'll see a series of systems move in yet again by the end of the week, and we could be looking at a rainy day by the time we get to Friday. And from Northern California, our warmest day will be today for looking at 62 degrees, and then temperatures drop into the 50s after that, but also stays pretty wet through Tuesday, dry day on Wednesday, so that'll be a nice break for everybody before the rain ramps up again on Thursday. For the Klamath Basin, plenty of rain, eventually changing over towards a rain-snow mix possible once we get, especially let's say late Tuesday into Tuesday night, and then we'll have even lower snow levels when we get to the end of the week. And for the Cascades, that same kind of scenario. We'll see plenty of rain for the next couple of days, and then we'll see rain and snow, especially once we get up towards Crater Lake. We could be looking at several inches of snow by the end of the week, maybe between 5 to 10 inches of snow up there. And for the Rogue Valley, we'll be looking at 60s for today, and then temperatures dropping into the 50s for the next several days. Dry day, it looks to be only on Wednesday.